Buddy. Today's topic is very interesting, and the topic we are going to discuss today is Stripe versus PayPal. And without wasting our time, let's start our session. Stripe versus PayPal. PayPal has simple and straightforward invoicing equipment on your provider, primarily based company. This article is for baby business house owners attracted to online payment processing alternate options. Band and PayPal are credit card processing providers that process your shopper's payments. Stripe is essentially a service provider functions company that permits you to personalize its solutions for online or brick and mortar earnings. PayPal is in a particular and agenda pocket. In case your company engages in a high quality of earnings, either in grown up or online, and you want the skill to accept abounding kinds of price, again Stripe is a more desirable choice. Despite the fact that PayPal could be a better option in case you already expend the Belvedere to send invoice and get hold of funds for your small enterprises. Key takeaway: Stripe may benefit your business by using accepting distinct payments types on your high volume of earnings, whereas PayPal can also stronger suit your enterprise if you already consume the Belvedere. Credit score and debit playing cards, ACH payments, Google Pay, Angle Pay, Microsoft Microsoft Pay, and a variety of foreign price methods. Stripe is an economic service business that serves primarily as a merchant capabilities provider. The company sells a leading aspect of auction POS device and has plugins for e-commerce tools that equip your business to receive payments from shoppers. As a fee processing business, the Stripe can help your company to settle for funds through various strategies. For payment, payments are again deposited right into a merchant fable, which Stripe's components and are instantly transferred into your enterprise blockage sage as quickly because of the subsequent day. If you registered with the band, you would be able to make a choice between its usual offering or a customized e-commerce package. You will have the alternative to purchase machine or download plugins to manage payments and employ a private dashboard to assist music with the funds you receive. Besides charge processing to your online business, you will also benefit from entry to the band's other features, including billing, invoicing, and ID coverage. Depending on which provider you select, you could make the most of stock management equipment or integrate band without delay with QuickBooks. Enterprise billing actualize recurring invoices and subscriptions. The fee is percentage on ordinary fees. Invoicing invoice as much as valued clientele each age for free. Pay percent per paid invoice after that. Tax added equipment. Select skills of the platform tax adding tools. The charges is percent per transaction. In identification protection functions. Make the most of identification equipment to verify your client's identities. The charge is dollar per verification. Artifice coverage. Give protection in position to fraud and prevents chargebacks with the Stripes alarm service. Stock management. Track items that you keep on the Duke and install alerts to will let you know back to order extra. In case you select a band for processing your brick and adhesive or e-business payments, expect to pay prices starting of at cents per transaction plus percentage of transaction value cents per transaction addition plus percentage for e-commerce. Pricing is the same for all playing cards and agenda wallets together with Visa, Mastercard, Maestro, America Categorial, Find JCB and Angle Pay and Google Pay integration are also purchasable for other world fee strategies similar to GiroPay. Do you know in case your enterprise has different company mannequin together with giant fee extend country specific rates, multi protection discounts or other selected features. Stripe will assign you to create a custom price procession plan that can reduce processing prices. The band excels because it offers your enterprise aggressive pricing and a big choice of tools. Believe the use of band in case you accommodated any of those service standards. One massive disadvantage of a Stripe is that with so bounding equipment and lines obtainable, you may need some development adventure to set it up. In case you don't have know an IT professional and don't accept the potential to pay somebody to help you configure Stripe, you may also need to expand PayPal or discover an easier gadget because the application's bells and whistles can be cutting. Like Stripe, PayPal is a financial feature company, although PayPal services basically as digital pockets for people or your small businesses. It's frequently used for sending cash to chums and family units, invoicing purchasers and receiving payments. While Stripe focuses closely on processing credit card payments for retailers, PayPal specializes in invoicing for purchasers and receiving funds for works performed. PayPal also presents service provider services like POS techniques and bank card processing, but its merchant services are a greater deal, narrower and greater expensive than band providers. To get begin with PayPal, sign up on the PayPal web page. Registration is easy and immediately grants new users entry to agenda pockets for sending and accepting money that you would be able to additionally hyperlink financial institution money on to offer cash on and off the Belvedere. When you are signed up for PayPal, you could make a decision on how premier to make use of the platform to assist your wants, other equipments, or add tools and contours. You can also adjust a POS gadget, acquire an enterprise loan, or use the platform to ship a particular person invoice and get hold of funds. Invoicing PayPal invoicing tool is convenient to use. There is no charge for sending an invoice. However, the company collects a fee from merchants for all invoices paid through the platform. Enterprise loans. Enterprise Fable shoppers can also be for a PayPal enterprise mortgage to aid cover prices. Potential borrowers utilize PayPal's online device to check their eligibility without impacting their credit score rating. Accommodation is in accordance with several factors together with your credit heritage and your company's ordinary economic fitness. Alive Capital PayPal additionally presents bendy strains of credit score if your company constantly needs entry to small quantities of capital to cover expenses. Vendor insurance plans. Salary insurance plan guards you against fraud and abbreviates the possibility of chargebacks. Tax adding equipment. This equipment supports your account of sales owned on affairs based on area and transaction category. PayPal transactions charges are based on the classification of a price being candy and whether affairs are domestic or foreign. Charges fluctuate from percent additional asset payment for QR cipher affairs admired over per dollar to 349 with an additional is fastened payment for usual PayPal checkout, invoicing, Venmo, and different business transactions. American categorical payments fabricated by way of PayPal guest checkout include a person charge. However, there is no extra fixed charge. PayPal is considerably great expensive than different price processing corporations. Your career based mostly enterprise, similar to an expert or landscaper, is a great person because you require an easy device to right away send invoices. If you are searching for a device that additionally receives payments and also you are now not absorbable in the installation of greater applicated equipment like a band, again PayPal may well be your answer. Tip: find about PayPal right here and PayPal Zettel, which are PayPal's credit card, clairvoyant, and app solutions. Believe our abundant listing of PayPal alternate options if you are searching for other alternate options. If you are for the reason that Band is a free processing device on your enterprise, evaluate its upsides and disadvantages. Abounding integration. The platform presents many alternate options including POS techniques and service provider bills. No setup, cancellation, or account preservation charges. Band offers an expensive balloon and is cost efficient for melancholia groups. Brief record sign up. It is convenient to get set up online with Stripe. Youngsters, it could possibly capture a short while in case you should have a great gadget alien to you. Ambient person accounts. In case you procedure a nasty transaction or has a technical difficulty, you may wish to get to the bottom of the subject before accepting future payments. Chargeback cost. If you technique of fraudulent transaction, you may additionally acquittance the transaction and incur as much as dollar payment. Necessary bank card readers. You'll need to pay for an in-grown up card reader while PayPal will offer you a free agenda clairvoyant. PayPal also have paid agenda readers. Applicable bureaucracy. In case you will not have IT personnel or a come to aid you with customizing the band, you may also accept difficulty constructing further features. Handy setup. PayPal may also be used beeline out of the box. You don't need an building event or backyard resources to set it up. Not obligatory merchant memory. PayPal is a digital wallet to hold cash and you may hyperlink bank bills to transfer money. Streamlined payments. It's handy to apply automatic ordinary payments like in distinctive currencies. Effortless integration. PayPal integration with a variety of usual e-commerce structures together with WooCommerce, Shopify, Wix, Depop, and Squarespace. Excessive price. PayPal extended its processing price for US merchants in August and is now extra costly band than a band with and different good Price processing. Alternate options. Due to the fact an alternate choice to PayPal, see our review on Rectangular. Chargebacks in case you method of fraudulent transaction and cardholders dispute the transaction, you will be answer a dollar price unless the transaction is quoted by means of PayPal seller coverage software. Suspend user accounts in case your system too abundant counterfeit transaction or aborting to pay charges. You can also not be able to processing funds. Limited personalization. PayPal is more convenient to install, but it surely can't be custom made to suit your certain wants. Valued clientele preferences. Some people don't like the use of PayPal to shift funds, or they maybe also suppose the platform lacks safety. Confined payment strategies. Your company can use PayPal to settle for PayPal money or PayPal cash. Additionally, chronicle balances, bank accounts, PayPal, credit score, credit, debit or credit cards, and reward balances. Although the platform can't settle for some predominant methods comparable to Apple Pay. That's all for today. If you like my video, share it and also comment below if you want other videos like this. Also subscribe my